that's wide open. Welcome back, I'm Tedward. Welcome to Atlanta Motorsports Park and welcome to the Acura NSX Type-S. But this is not a Honda event, not an Acura event, no, no, no. This is a Bridgestone event because we're gonna go out here and test out the new Potenza Race Tires. These are directly aimed at the Cup 2s for your supercar on-road and on-track thing. Now, you're not gonna go set any crazy lap records in these because they are not our compounds, but boy, oh boy, are they sticky, and we're gonna go have some fun out here. So let's jump in the Type-S and find out how they handle on a racetrack. All right, let's get set up in the NSX Type-S. Last time I drove this was at Daytona. Pretty excited to drive this on a less crazy track, but a more technical track. That was definitely something outrageous, and we couldn't really explore the crazy speeds that we could handle. Here, we might go a little crazier. So let's get everything set up and we'll be off. Oh man, cushy. All right, we'll start off in sport mode, and then I almost always forget how to put this thing in drive. We're in EV mode right now. How wild is that? It's so weird getting out in your supercar and being in EV mode out of the pits. All right, let's knock it into Sport Plus. Get that engine warming up. That always feels wrong to do to a car. To go out on a track in EV mode. I'm in the yellow one. They've got the gorgeous like Gotham gray. NSX brakes are always weird to me and feel a little unnatural. But we're gonna try to get used to them today. This is the Potenza Race Tire. Supposed to be kind of like your streetable track tire for your supercar. I can tell they need to warm up a little bit. Already getting a little unhappy with me right there. Quiet that down a little bit. See if he'll blend safely. Hopefully. Good. Little sideways from our lead follow car. Gives you an idea of the balance. Such a pointy nose. Haven't gone wide open yet. This car is actually alarmingly fast. Whoop, there we go. Gotta stay in the throttle or else it gets a little tail happy. If you lift, it will let go. So you gotta stay in it. I'm learning. This is more power than I'm used to having on a racetrack. Brakes in these cars never make me feel great. Looks like we're gonna come up on the Civics.
We got the cars up in front of us, so I'll get in touch with him, try to get the
That's wide open. Getting offline. Let's see. Will they let us by? Looking good. Big tire slug. The transitions, there's so much grip. There's a little bit of bounce to it though. I'm gonna go to sport mode and see if that helps us out a little bit. This NSX is no joke. This is a fast car. Let miles go by. There we go. Going back to Sport Plus. A little wide, but it's okay. We can collect it. Kind of surprised at how long these tires can hold up. As I say that, it's getting really squirrely on me. I am noticing they're getting a little greasy, which is making me a little nervous in the high-speed stuff. squirmy on the steering wheel actually on that braking zone. All right, looks like we're doing a little bit of a cool down. What we just did was pretty punishing for a street tire. That's about as much as you want to do at like a track day in terms of like actually pushing a tire, because they're gonna get greasy. Like, this is a heavy car. NSX is not light, and this tire has to put up with all the weight of this thing and all the power of this thing. It's pretty impressive, and I gotta say, like, if this is gonna be a Cup 2 alternative, it's doing the job pretty well. What I'd love to see is if it lasts longer on the street, and if it has better wet traction, because those two things together would make this a very formidable tire. Huge thanks to Bridgestone for bringing me out here. Huge thanks to Honda for providing the NSXs and the Honda Civic TCA cars. Really, really special stuff to be able to test tires on some real cool cars. Man, what a fun time. Absolutely in love. This is great. Go check out the Potenza Race Tire. This is pretty darn cool. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive, and I'll see you in the next one.